The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Grant County in southwest Wisconsin until 11:45 p.m. At 10:46 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated severe thunderstorms roughly along a line extending from Farmersburg to Cassville to East Dubuque, moving east at 35 miles per hour. These storms can produce quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess at 60 miles per hour. There has been reports of trees down in northeast Iowa. The severe thunderstorms will be near Dickeyville and Hazel Green around 11:05 p.m., Cuba City around 11:15 p.m., Lancaster around at 11:20 p.m., Platteville around 11:30 p.m., Fenimore and Boscoville around at 11:40 p.m. If you are in the path of these storms, prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following county: Grant County, Wisconsin.
This is Noel.